So we've got this pile of feedback here
Yeah.
from this webinar
Yep.
about AI and making money.
Mm.
It was by onHow.
Yeah, it seems like people are really
Pretty excited.
amped up about the possibilities.
People see some serious dollar signs on.
Yeah. What do you think, what was it about this webinar that got everybody so fired up?
I think people realize this isn't just,
Right.
something for the future.
Mm-hmm.
It's something that
Yeah,
they can use now to make money like today.
totally. It seems like it really clicked for them that AI isn't just some
Yeah.
far-off concept, but something that they can use right now
Right.
to create opportunities. And
Like the Coaching Nation said.
yeah, the coaching.
This isn't just for like the techie people,
Right.
even educators. They're seeing how it can be useful.
Absolutely.
And even kids.
It's true. Anybody can
Yeah.
use it. That's what's so exciting about it.
It's exciting. Now, I thought the Coaching Nation had a really interesting idea. Instead of just creating new stuff with AI, what about breathing some new life into existing content?
Oh, I like that. Yeah.
Like think about Yoruba classics,
Oh, wow.
or even Bible stories, turning those into,
To like videos and
yeah, maybe even using different voices and stuff with AI.
I love it. I love it. Yeah.
Or visuals, like
Exactly. And you think about the market for that.
huge.
Huge, because people are, I think, really craving that kind of content.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's almost like
Yeah.
untapped potential, I think.
Absolutely. Definitely.
But I mean, it's not just about having these ideas, right?
Right.
Only Ankatawa really made it clear you got to actually
Take action.
do something.
Yeah. Put in the work.
Yeah, yeah.
One attendee messaged him basically begging for him to just keep the webinar going.
Wow.
They didn't want it to end because they were just so eager to learn more and put it into practice.
That's dedication. That's awesome.
It is. It is. And then there was that comment about getting paid through a POS system
Oh, right, yeah.
on TikTok.
Yeah, yeah.
Clearly, people are ready to,
They're ready.
yeah, they're ready to cash in.
Makes sense.
Of course, TikTok doesn't quite work that way, but
Right.
it does offer a lot of different ways for creators to
Yeah.
make money, like ad revenue, brand deals.
Yep.
Even things like tipping
Uh-huh.
and virtual gifts.
Right. So there are still ways.
There are.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So I think this webinar, it wasn't just about like learning
It
stuff.
was about empowerment.
Yeah.
It really gave them a sense that they could do this.
Exactly. That they could make something happen.
Exactly.
So what do you think, what was like the big
The biggest takeaway
from all of this?
AI isn't this exclusive club for the,
Yeah.
tech geniuses.
Right.
It's a tool anyone can learn to use.
Yeah, absolutely.
And the possibilities for creativity and for making money are huge.
Yeah, it's a good point. Yeah.
So for anybody out there listening,
Yeah.
what's your next move?
What's your next move?
What potential are you ready to unlock with AI?
Join Olenka Taiwo community today to learn more. Ask him for details.